If you want to make AI animation for free, in this video I will show you how to make a AI animation for free. First of all, just open a browser and go to systasia.io, then click on create a free AI video and select your object, which one you want. I want to create this image, and here you can type your script, which one you want to say. Just I am typing here. Hi, this is Mamun. Welcome to my channel M Square IT or Ingentech. Today in this video or in this tutorial I will show you how to make a AI animation video just stay watching. Thanks for watching. That's it. You can type here another 37 character and then click on continue. Now you will get your video via email in a minute. Just fill up a form. I'm just filling this form, Mamun, and insert a email address, valid email address, and from here select a option. I'm found it on Google and select this option and tick mark here I am not a robot and confirm this terms and condition, then create generate a video. Just please wait. You will receive a video via email. Congratulations. Now I am checking my email address. Gmail. Here is the email address. Just click on it, and here is the some options. You will show up. Then you can once your video is approved, you will receive it within 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I refresh my email address, and then this email has been received, and watch your AI video. I hope my video has been created.
Welcome to my channel M Square IT.
Yes.
Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to make an AI animation video. Just stay.
This is the trial version. This way you can use for make a AI video for free. Here is the some procedure for paid version. You can use this option for paid. Pay some of money or dollar, $22.50 per month. You can download this video. I am downloading this. Yes, start download. Open.
Today in this tutorial, I will show you how
my
to make
video
an
has
AI
been created,
animation
and
video.
I can download it.
Just stay.
So this is the way for making a AI video for free. You can, if you want to create a AI video for free, you can use this option. I hope this video helpful to you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest notification. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.